The hat's on, hands are washed. Make some coconut macaroons. Coconut's in the pan. In with that goes our sugar, then the egg whites, and then we're just gonna put the gas on just on a low heat and mix all that together. This is a real simple and easy one to do, so if you've got egg whites left over, this is perfect. So we're not actually cooking this, we're just heating it right through and mixing it all together. You don't want to see that coconut burning or cooking at all. You just want to literally get it all mixed together and warm it up a tiny bit. Your mixture's just come off the stove. It should look like that, just all sort of sticky and, you know, ready to mould. Scoop it in and then just put them on your baking sheet. They will spread out a tiny bit, so don't put them mega close. And what I like to finish them off with is a cherry on the top. I think you'll all agree with me. Everyone nibbles around the outside and leaves the cherry to the last minute. It's like the jewel in the crown. Coconut macaroons had about 40 minutes because they're quite large and I had them on a lowish sort of heat, 160. But as you can see, they are just peeling off and lovely cooked, nice and golden all over. But I always find the kids are screaming that they want them before you even get the chocolate melted. So just for quickness, I just like give them a little bit of chocolate over the top. I think you'll agree with me, they look good enough to eat. I hope you've enjoyed this video today and it's helped you use your egg whites up. If you want to keep seeing a miserable git like this, subscribe, leave some comments down below. But until next time, enjoy.